Hello, my name is Jon Daugherty, and this is some of my work here represented in the Dana L. Wiley Gallery during the Art Matters art showing. What these four pieces represent are a number of things. I paint in soft pastels. A lot of people say, is that chalk? Soft pastel is a medium that is like oil paint, but rather than suspended in oil, it's compressed into a stick. So it's really the same thing. So they are called paintings. Learned it back in college years and years ago as a product illustration technique. We used gouache and pastels and all sorts of primitive methods before markers and computers took over the world. So when I got back to doing artwork, I just picked up old styles, old techniques, and started reapplying them to landscapes other than products. I call these works drive-bys, and I've been doing them for a number of years. I love old barns, old sheds, old structures, because I look at them as like old soldiers that have stories. They've been around for years, and you know that they have survived generations of work and weather, and they just wonder what happened there, what was inside of there, what families lived there, what happy events happened there, tragedies. They just grab my attention. So actually, my wife and I, as we travel around, I'm always like, grab that picture, grab that picture. So I grab a lot of reference photos as we're driving around. And we just had the event Friday night, and there was a gentleman here that says, I know exactly where that is. That's between Moorhead and Sandy Hook, Kentucky. I said, you're absolutely right. So you know, it's inspired by a photograph, but inspired close enough that he knew exactly where it was. And it was those feelings of driving through the countrysides, driving along, mostly Midwestern Ohio. I used to do a lot of barns, and people would say, where is that barn? And I learned to ask them, where do you think it is? Because all Midwestern bank barns look like they were in your neighborhood. So I'd let them kind of put themselves into it, and I'd say, close. But yeah, so that's what we're representing here. The feeling of the Midwest. There's some from Michigan, there's some from Kentucky, Ohio, all in our travels through, usually on our way to vacations or somewhere on our way to a gallery or something. But that's what I do. That's what these represent. Drive-bys is just a fun way to reference them. I hate naming pieces of work. So they get the generic term drive-by 1, 2, 3, and 4.